Do these 3 shoulder prehab exercises to prevent injuries during your training. In this first one, we're going to train a compressive movement through your shoulder joint. So we're going to come down onto a plank position, and we're just going to come through all of our available movements, just in a little star pattern. The second one, we're going to load up the shoulder in a side plank position while we do a rotational movement. So just coming in onto a side plank, and we're coming up and over and back. The third one, we're going to promote some blood flow and some movement through the shoulder joints. So we're just going to come away and back in towards the body and just really get them pumping and ready for your class. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist. If you found this helpful, share and like it, and I will see you on the next one.